Hey there, this is 296 Lambo, or Joshua Andrews, so a lot of you may know. But today I will be shooting a standard light bulb with the all-new M1911 A1 Airsoft pistol. It's all plastic. Shoots at 345 feet per second with 0.12 gram BBs. Let's try it. This is 21.5 feet away. Now I'll say 23 feet because I'm about a foot behind the camera. I'm an additional couple of feet behind the camera. And I'm about to shoot the bulb. It's not even hitting with enough force. Well, it's not even shooting with enough force to even break the bulb. So let's slide it up a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna try from 12 feet away. It's 10 feet from the camera, but I'm an additional 2 feet behind the camera, so I'm gonna load up and let's try. Okay, the clip is loaded, cocked back, and let's see. Ha! Broke it right down. The wind is strong out here. I'm gonna go ahead and shoot the remains off. Excuse the camera, the wind is strong out here. Go ahead and shoot the remains of the bulb off here. And there you go. That's from 12 feet away. Later.